I am going to be picking some Dhania and some rosemary for the hot sauce in the rain. It's a great day to make hot sauce today, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to be harvesting some of this Dhania here. It's right outside my kitchen door. How am I going to put this camera? Okay, let's put it... Oh, let's put it there. And then I'll just cut some Dhania for my hot sauces. It's actually so lovely to be outside and harvesting in this rain because usually it's so hot. Let's go to the rosemary and get some rosemary from the garden to make our hot sauce. It's an amazing day today. Ooh, I've got a hat because I couldn't find a cap. And I'm just harvesting some of these. This should be enough. This twig should be enough. Come, baby. And let's walk over here. Come, 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 come. Come, let's go, come. Come, Peanut, come. Come, Peanut. Come, come. Must I come pick you up? I'll have to go pick him up. This is what it looks like on the farm in the rain. There's nothing much happening on the farm because we're busy cleaning up everything. Which is why today I'm finally going to be doing some things in the kitchen. Woo! Okay, so that's done. Now let's go fetch Peanut. The reason Peanut ran out is because we have David and come Peanut, come Peanut, come baby, come. Come my angel, come, let's go inside, come. Mommy pick you up, come. Where are you? Peanut! Where's my Peanut? Oh, sure, Mama, come. Come, Mama. Come, my baby. Oh, baby. Come. Come, Mama. Come. Oh, Mama. Come, my baby. Oh, no, come. You're the only one outside, come. Okay, I got you. Blade is so naughty, Blade! Blade! Get away! Okay, no, okay. Blade is naughty. Blade naughty, man. Why is Blade so naughty? Okay, he's all rescued. Now we're going to be doing, I'm going to be doing the hot sauce. I won't be showing you that. I just wanted to show you how nice and wet it is outside. It's enjoyable for us when it's rainy because we don't often get rain this side of the world. Thank you for joining me on this quick walkabout in the rain. And from me, Haria, at South African Homesteader, until next time.